Hello everyone. Today we are taking a break from our usual Desi focused content to delve into a topic that's near and dear to our hearts. Yes, we are talking about Santa Claus. Yes, you heard it right. Santa's big night was just around the corner, and we are curious about the legal status of his travels. How does he manage to zoom around the world in one night, delivering presents to good boys and girls? Well, believe it or not, even Santa needs to navigate the complexities of immigration laws. I am Raju Shrestha. Welcome to Desi in Amrika. Imagine the CBP or the Customs and Border Protection Officer's face when this jolly dude in his red suit shows up with reindeer and a stack full of toys. It's a legal minefield. But fear not, kiddos, we have got Santa's visa options covered in this epic breakdown. Visa options for Santa. So let's explore Santa's visa options for this Christmas Eve mission. We will cover everything from the visa waiver program to the green card and including everything in between. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Number 1. Visa waiver program or VWP. This might be an option if Santa has a passport from a qualifying country like Finland, Netherlands or Germany and does not plan to stay longer than 90 days. But can he use electronic system for travel authorization or ESTA? Probably not. His frequent trips to the naughty countries, read it as Iraq, Syria, Iran, Sudan, Libya, Somalia or Yemen, raises many eyebrows and might require a waiver from the Department of Homeland Securities. Number 2. A visa or the Diplomat Visa. Alright, forget the DWP. Let's see if Santa can snag a fancy A visa like a diplomat. It definitely brings peace and goodwill, but escaping that grandma got run over by a reindeer lawsuit might have been diplomatic immunity. Santa, however, it's unlikely he would qualify as a bona fide diplomat. 3. B1, B2 visa or visitor visa. Moving on, the B1, B2 visitor seems promising. This is a more realistic option. Santa can show he's just visiting. He has a strong business abroad that is toy making and won't become a public charge. Number 3. E1, E2 visa or treaty trader and investor visa. If Santa wants to invest in a second workshop, this could be a good visa, but the investment amount might be steep for a one-night trip. If Santa opens a second workshop, think it is as Elf Emporium USA, he could qualify. But seriously, who needs two toys making factories when you have magic elves? Number 4. H1 visa or specialty occupation visa. What about the H1B visa? Santa's toy making skills are top notch, but does he need a bachelor's degree? Nah, those elves make the toys anyway. While Santa doesn't need a fancy degree for toy making, the H1B process is long and requires a sponsoring employer, not ideal for the last minute visit. H1B visa cap is a real pain. Santa needs to plan way ahead for this. Visa number 5. S2B visa or seasonal worker. This might work. A department store could sponsor Santa as a seasonal worker for Christmas Eve. Plus, who can compete with his chimney hopping skills? But proving no qualified US workers exist might be tricky. There are some pretty jolly folks out there. Number 6. L1 visa or intra-company transfer. The L1 visa for intra-company transfer might work. Santa definitely has specialized knowledge and managed those elves like a boss, so he could qualify for this visa if he has a business operating in the US land. Plus, premium processing is like a last minute Christmas shopping for visas. Number 7. O1 visa or extraordinary ability. The O1 visa is for extraordinary ability. Santa's definitely unique, but proving he's more magical than every other Santa impersonator out there could be tough. The Grinch of the USCIS might not be convinced. Proving Santa's extraordinary ability might be tough. He has no two true peers, but maybe being the only one who can deliver presents in one night counts. P3 visa or entertainer, artist, culture unique. This could work, but Santa would have to reveal his good boys and girls list to the USCIS or the US government, which might not be ideal. That's a privacy nightmare. Number 9. The R visa or the religious visa. Santa's good deeds are tied to some major religious holiday, but his non-denominational approach might cause confusion. Santa Nick does bring Christmas cheers, but which church claims him? This interdenominational Santa might face some paperwork issue. Number 10. Green card. This was a lot of visa, but the green card? Nah, Santa only visits once a year and he would eventually lose this green card. Maintaining a green card requires strong US ties, and Santa's yearly visit falls short of that. So Santa cannot maintain that green card. Number 11. Port of entry issue and name change. Remember when Santa got delayed at the border? The Customs and Border Protection Officer are used to unusual travelers, but Santa's boot, reindeers, and brightly wrapped gifts always raise eyebrows. Luckily, he is now enrolled in the Global Entry Program for smoother entry. And then there's the name issue. Santa gone from Sinterklaas to Santa Nicholas to Cholupuki and back again. So many names for one jolly guy is enough to confuse the CBP. This inconsistency can cause problems. Biometrics might help, but picking and sticking to one name and updating all his documents is the best bet. Santa got some options, but navigating immigration laws can be tricky. Let's hope our borders never raise so high that Santa gets turned away, leaving millions of children disappointed on Christmas morning. Do you think Santa could get special immigration privileges? What do you think his best visa options can be? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for joining us on this festive journey through Santa's visa options. Remember to subscribe for more Desi in Amrika content, and have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year ahead. Till next video, Raju Shrestha here, signing off.